back, everybody. Welcome back to the show. So, Martin, we won. We won, by the way. We won the competition. The kids won. So, at this moment as we speak, the basically now they're getting the bowl of chocolates. So actually, I'm waiting for the information as well. But we won. I got the message that they won. They won the competition. Thank you so much for the likes. Jake, hello there. Good morning. LFG, hey. Le pozdrav. Hello. Hello, Marco. Love your show. Thank you so much. Awesome. Healthy, profitable traders keeps the... Exactly. Man, I love the way you said that perfectly. Perfectly. Exactly. Equal highs at 940. Yeah, kind of an interesting level there also, because we still have the zone, although it was a bit of a crazy liquidity sweep here. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it will be interesting. It will be interesting to see. This is the news here. So this is CPI. CPI news right there. 8:30. So yeah, how was the after London session, everyone? How did you guys do? I mean, so far not much of a movement so far. I just said it so far 2 times, so not big of a movement here. Let's wait and see. Oh, K-Bell, they won. I just said it at the start here. They won the competition. They won the competition, K-Bell. So everybody who were here in the London session, they won the competition. So again, applause for everybody and to the kids. Oh, did you saw the price in Iran for BTC? No, I don't know. What's the price for BTC in Iran? I haven't checked it, to be honest. I don't know. I'm super happy, K-Bell. I'm also. Oh, really? They blew up BTC. They are buying it. Wow. So that's the cause. Okay. Good to know, by the way. I wasn't sure like what's happening there, but it's good to know. I'm so happy to right now in this moment that we're speaking. Let me just check it. One second. Yeah, they're doing the announcement of results right now, but yeah, I just checked. My fiance, she sent me a text that they won, so I'm guessing they're getting the chocolate right now or sometime now, and I am so happy. After I finished up today with the MyFunded TV stream, I'm heading over to that small town. Basically, it's right next to where I live, and I'm heading there as well. And we're gonna buy some more chocolates, by the way, later on. So super great. All right, so far we had some liquidity sweep here on the 5-minute, technically inverting the 15. There's a 15-minute gap that has somewhat been inverted. we have this up close candle at 6:45, which is kind of cool. ICT tweeted that he will be live in a few minutes. Okay, no problem, Martin. No problem. So yeah, I would say that 952 would be that level that I'm looking for here. So I'm just calling it out right before ICT that 952 would be the level that I'm looking for. There you go. If not, then, you know, I'm just gonna say it never happened. Yeah, the kids won. Everybody's super happy. Exactly. And we need to do that. I'm so happy for them. And I know they will be even more happier. I guess they already have it. They get the chocolate. Yeah, I like the longs too. There was a bit of a fair value gap down here on the 5-minute. Liquidity has been picked up there. And I'm also kind of hoping that actually we inverted the 15-minute. It looks like as a possible turning point, but yeah, we might have to wait. Strange pullback on Nvidia. Yeah, interesting that it went down. Tesla so far up. Meta is holding. Yeah, interesting pullback here on Nvidia. Let me check ES as well. ES looks so far so good. Okay. Yeah, so far okay. Let's see. Yes, there's relative equal highs up there too. Nothing on the hourly. So it seems like it just wants to go higher, maybe. I don't know. Could be the case. Could be the case. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Yeah, so far so good. Let's see how far it can go. Huh. All right, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Some liquidity I thought has been picked up down here, but it seems like I might be mistaken. I like to push higher here. I like this candle formation as well. Everything's pretty much, you know, lining up with this target, but maybe I just, at this point, maybe I just I guess I get too much merit to the idea, and maybe I should leave it. I should just leave it. I'm not sure. I haven't really checked my indicator today. Maybe I should check it. Yazan, hello. Welcome. Everybody smash the like. Smash that like. Where's the chocolate? They won the competition. They won the competition. I got the message. So they are very happy. They won. So it's great. And I'm super happy for them. Okay, yeah, not much is moving here on the 5. Pretty much just a bit of a sideways action. Okay, let me just log into the chat here real quick. We have 17 likes, everybody. Let's start to push it. Because you know. Yeah, so far it's still pushing. Anyway, we're just gonna wait. Me too, K-Bell. I am so happy for them. You clicked all right. My short not looking good. Yeah, so far it's trying to push higher here. Getting closer to the order block. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Not order block, but actually zone. Yeah, CPI news. Exactly. Today is CPI. We still have some time until the news release. So it's gonna be interesting for sure. Aquafair. I heard the name, but I don't know if they are good. I don't know if they're any good. I really don't know much about them. So unfortunately, I mean, no extra information. Yeah, it's CPI day, everybody. CPI for the fun. The fun day. Fun day CPI day. No, no full port long this time. I'm actually thinking if we have a chance to scalp this one. I'm waiting for some momentum to kick in. If it would go higher, maybe that would be good for a scalp. Otherwise, I'm not sure. But yeah, trying to wait. Trying to wait. You need chocolate. Yeah. Well, I love chocolate too. I'm still on the diet, and I will be on a diet for quite a while. It's at least, I mean, actually, let me check how much I did. Okay, yesterday I forgot to write it down. Yesterday it was January 12. January 12. I had 1600 calories, and that was day 8. Day number 8. And today, January 13, and let's just wait for the day. Actually, now that I'm, getting used to it, think about it, it's not all that bad. It's not all that bad to do the calorie counting. Actually, I've had worse. I mean, at least I know how much I can eat. I can, have a plan for the day. And so we're actually 40 points away from those highs. And let's check the CPI. So they are expecting about the same prices. New home sales, oh, that's gonna be as well. Okay, building permits, that's not it. So they're expecting a bit of a rise here, not too much. Overall, no change. That's what they're expecting. So no change overall. Could be interesting, that's for sure. But it would be great to see it go all the way up to, like, I don't know, 97.50. Can this one go up all the way to like 97.50? Not sure. But we'll try. $9.48 week open. Yeah. We'll see. Good morning. Hello, Yamil. What's up? Smash the like button, everybody. Still going so far. Okay. Holding the area. You're out. All right. Took along from 75. That's a real good entry. That's a real good entry. Especially if it's, you know, if this is the turning point. You just nailed it absolutely perfectly. Hey, Coach Fred. Hello, Mr. Hollywood Sabo. Yeah, I wish. But no. 55 minutes until the news. So will be interesting. Yeah, sorry, David. Yeah, it's gonna be on our time, it's gonna be 2:30. It's 1:30 almost right now, so yeah, exactly. Sorry, yeah, you meant it, yo. Yeah, I was reading it wrong. Yeah, so another 64 minutes now. Yeah, it could be good for a long. To be honest, I was watching for a possible short, but I just don't know. I don't know. Still looks a little bit weird. Man, I do feel the FOMO a little bit. There was no retracement to this fair value gap, so I missed this. Unfortunately. And that's not good. That is not good. Should have waited. Maybe. Yeah, probably it's best to wait for news. The problem with this, at least on my end, is that it just kind of feels like that I missed out the opportunity here, down there. There was one gap here. I was like, hey, I don't need to wait for those candles and look at that. My level that I was eyeballing in the morning was at 952. And I just kind of feel like this is just gonna go without me, even before the news. So that sucks. Well, what can I do, right? Hey, thank you so much, David. Or David. Thank you for the support. Yeah, I missed it too. Instead, I got a stop loss earlier. And I had also another stop loss at the 6 p.m. reset time, which was midnight for me. So I'm not doing so good for the day. Down like $200 something for all the accounts. Anyway. Should have taken a trade here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, I know. But we still have an hour until the news. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Bit of a pullback maybe here. Anyway, let's wait for more. No such big pullback here. There is a 15-minute fair value gap in this area. So we'll see. Okay, all right. Still in a pullback. And it's still pushing. Look at that. Yeah, on to the next trade setup. No, Yamil, not just the 1 minute. I mean, I'm kind of looking the 5 and the 15 minutes to read the structure, like what it shows. So I'm always constantly looking in between the 5 and the 15 minute, like what's it doing? Is there any target there? I like the 15 minute and the 5 minute zones very much. In this case, I really thought that we're gonna go up there to that 15-minute supply zone, but we didn't. I feel like that the so-called cheap buys were down here below this level. Maybe this area here. This was those cheap buying opportunities. You know, buy up all the orders or just fill in the orders and then boom, you know, go all the way up. So how do you think we'll win, Daddy Powell or Child Trump? I don't know. It's a very hard question. Daddy Powell. Well, I don't think, I don't think there's anything gonna come out from this prosecution case. I don't think so. Eventually Powell is gonna leave office in a few months, right? I think he's gonna have to leave office in a couple of months. Former New York Mayor Eric Adams just launched a coin and rugged it, profiting nearly 3 million. Oh my gosh, is it a thing really? That's how these cryptos are working now. Is this something I mean, this is the world? I guess this is the world right now. And this is one of the many reasons I'm not buying crypto. I think 99% of cryptos are just rug pull anyway. But correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, I really would like to be open-minded, but what is going on with the crypto market, really? I don't know. There is no regulations. That's the problem with these. That's the real problem. That's the real issue. Look at this, man. As we're getting closer to 8 a.m., price action could be slowing down, by the way. Yeah, the shit coins, right? That's what's happening. So by the way, maybe you guys are not interested, but I made a promise, and today we're gonna start with something, with a small thing, because the bonanza is gonna be happening later. If anyone is interested in a giveaway, then let me know. So let's just move on. Price is pulling back, so let's see. Lost a lot with shit coins. Me too. Well, they're saying there were not really shit coins, but go long. 45.88. Anyone wants a giveaway? No? All right. Thank you. At least I can keep the accounts. Let's move on. What do we do? We're just waiting. I think we can use this time to just wait. Ashley says he doesn't want the giveaway. Frequency just laughing. He doesn't care. Yamil says we have our own crypto. Chris definitely doesn't want a giveaway. No giveaway, Tom, he's saying. So yeah, all right. Trader Mindset, hello. You're too rich for giveaways. Cheesy balls, hello. All right, let me just make sure if I can even do this. Okay, so we're gonna start with a simple task. Okay, I don't even know if it's possible or not, but this is gonna be a very simple thing. I am going to pick a winner from. I'm going to give away just now, but there's going to be plenty of left. So smash the like, by the way, smash the like button. I'm going to give away MyFundedFutures core account right now. All right. MyFundedFutures core account. I have 5 codes, but don't worry, I'm going to give away the rest of the codes as well. Right now, we are going to give away a core account. I'm going to give away the rest of the accounts as well. That's why I said stay tuned. The most of the giveaways are going to be happening on maybe on I mean Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, we're going to push everything a little bit higher. So anyway, I'm going to give away a MyFundedFutures core account. What you need to do, and it's very simple, depends on if you guys have I hope it's simple. I have a post. Whoa, Chris just subscribed. Hello Chris, welcome to the channel. Okay, there's my Twitter post. I'm gonna put it to the pin messages tab there, replacing the pin message actually, and retweet or comment. All right, retweet or comment on this MyFundedFutures post. All right, and I am going to pick the winner. Grok is going to pick the winner actually. Papacito, what? You don't have an account? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Hold on, Papacito. I'm gonna figure out something. Oh my gosh, Devin. Oh, come on, man. Okay. How should we do this? Okay, F it. All right, F it. F it. All right. I want everybody to have, okay, there's gonna be 2 accounts then. All right, 2 accounts. 2 accounts, not 1. Okay. I had other plans, but out of 5 codes or 5 accounts, sorry, we're gonna give away 2. So let's give chance to those of you as well who don't have an X account. I'm gonna pick a winner from the tweet, and I'm gonna pick a winner from Streamlabs. All right, let's just give it, let's just do like that. We need 50k MFF core account. Giveaway 50k MyFundedFutures core account. 50k MyFundedFutures core account. All right, it's gonna be fun. Confirm. Let's just edit this one. How do I edit? Okay, edit. No, not this. Settings. Hold on. All right. 2 accounts. There's gonna be a ticket raffle as well in the chat. All right, exclamation mark MFF to enter the raffle. All right, 1 winner from the chat. Yeah, it's CPI's head. 1 winner from the chat and 1 winner from the retweet. So you can retweet or comment on the tweet that is in the pin message. All right, it's in the pin message up there. And 1 MyFundedFutures account from the chat. Now, it's important that whoever wins, you gotta be eligible to trade with MyFundedFutures, obviously. All right, so you gotta be eligible to trade with MyFundedFutures. If you're, for example, in a restricted country, I'm so sorry, but we're gonna do other prop firms too. Right now, this is what we're doing: 2 MyFundedFuture accounts, core accounts, and there's going to be more other prop firms, but stay tuned for the New York sessions. And yeah, so 2 chances to win. If you have an X account, retweet the tweet up there, or comment, or both. By the way, you can increase your chances if you retweet and comment, because I'm going to ask Grok, so it's going to be a heads and tails. Heads and tails if we're going to choose the winner from the tweets or from the retweets. Sorry, from the comments or from the retweets. LB1 bar, hello, thank you for subscribing. So there's going to be a heads and tails if we take the winner from the comments or from the retweets. So if you retweet and comment on the post, you're basically increasing your chances if you do both, right? And the other winner is just simply, as we always do it, we're just going to pick the winner from the raffle. All right. Sorry if I forgot to answer some questions because the chat started to roll. If you have anything, just, write it. I'll try to read it now again. Hey Ahmed, hello, I wish you a good day as well. Yes, I'm gonna do 2 Lucid accounts, but not today, maybe tomorrow. All right, maybe tomorrow or Thursday at least. We're doing Lucid accounts too. All right, and we're doing TRADEIFY accounts as well, everything. Right now, there's gonna be a chance to win. And if you won, for example, the raffle here, you cannot win the message tweet. Okay, so if you already won 1 account, I'm sorry, but let the others win. We're just gonna re-roll if you won already. I think that's fair for everybody. If you won already on one side, then if you win again, you're lucky, but we're just gonna do a re-roll. All right. You got a Discord, Tom? Yes. Yes, I'm actually, so the plan here for Discord, that I want to share, just like you said, ideas. I want to share ideas, chart setups, and some thoughts of what I'm seeing in the market. Maybe something like kind of journaling, reviews, and sort of like forecast of some levels. On the Discord. This is what I'm willing to do, and this is what I'm looking to do. If you guys are interested, I can post a Discord link. Currently it's a little bit slow, but if you guys are interested, I can give you a temporary invite link and you can join, and I'm willing to put some more energy into that. So again, the giveaway is actually 2 MyFundedFutures core accounts. 1 way to enter is to retweet and or post the pin message. There's an X tweet there about the current promo. And the other way to enter, if you don't have an X account, is to type in !MFF. All right. Yeah, exactly, Ahmed. Casper Troy, hello. So just saying, obviously with MyFundedFutures, you gotta be eligible for, I mean, to trade with them, right? Because they are going to, the back office is going to activate the core accounts for you guys, okay? They are going to activate the account. I can't read fish chat. Yeah, sorry about the Streamlabs. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's see. So far, the level I was looking for is that 952. And wow, look at gold. Gold is really pushing. I feel like the closer we get to the news, the slower the price action will be. What's the new product on MyFundedFutures that rapid payouts like? Yes, exactly, Jonathan. Daily payouts, only that the difference is that the minimum payout is $500. And I think there's a scaling rule on the rapid account. With Take Profit Trader, there is no scaling rule, I think. Yeah, of course, there's no scaling rule on the funded account. But with MyFundedFutures, I think there is a scaling. I'm going to check it. I'm going to triple check it. Let me see. Rapid plan. Funded rules. Scaling. Oh, no scaling rule. Sorry. No scaling rule on the rapid account. All right. We like it. We like it. Oh my gosh. The rapid plan is really sexy. I said sexy. Wow. It's really, it's amazing. 20% off, guys. The rapid plan is really good. Really, really good. What's happening on silver? Is it going sky high again? Well, it's all-time high, technically. I'm not really interested in silver. I know everybody's trading silver because wow, but I don't care. It's all-time high. I'm not gonna touch it, that's for sure. Gold is going back into the consolidation area, so there is nothing here. We have some lows. One thing I'm like 80% sure is that we are going into this area here. So just saying, if you're just tuning in, and by the way, let me just check something. We have 70 likes and 170 viewers. Can we push the likes to 100? Is it too much to ask, guys? There's gonna be giveaways every day, and if the YouTube likes us, the prop firms are going to like us, and they're gonna give me more codes to give away. True story. I enter silver mini. Oh my god, be careful. That's an immediate stop loss. Nasdaq is forming a triple rolling top inside of a rising wedge, creating higher lows, but getting rejected 4 times. Okay, compressing. Look at the daily. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at the daily. Oh yeah, look at that. We are getting compressed here. 50 ticks gold trade. Let's go. Let's go. So, if you're tuning in, there's a giveaway going on to MyFundedFutures core accounts. Again, MyFundedFutures core account. One way to enter the giveaway is to go to the pin message and retweet or comment on the post. Obviously, if you're retweeting and commenting, you're increasing the chances. That's one thing. The other chance to enter is to type in !MFF if you don't have an X account or Twitter. There's going to be a winner picked from the chat, and there's going to be a winner picked from the X tweet. If you won already in the chat or on the tweet, then we're just going to do a reroll. All right, because that's fair to everyone. !MFF, and you are getting a ticket. Or go to the pin message, retweet and or comment on the new promo on MyFundedFutures. Okay. I am going to ask Grok to choose a winner. Actually, not Grok. There's another. But we're going to choose heads and tails. Heads or tails. If we're going to pick the winner from the comments or from the retweets. So that's why it's like increasing your chances if you're retweeting and commenting. And once we know, then we're going to pick a random winner from the retweeters or from the commenters. All right. That's how we're going to do it. Jefferson, hello there. You have 60 tickets already. Welcome to the channel. Oh wow, what a pullback here. What a pullback. By the way, we have this fair value gap down here. NQ 925. Oh wow, yeah. All the way up there. Good morning, hello. If I forgot to say hello to anyone, then hello. Welcome to the chat, welcome to the channel. Are we going lower here? Let's see, what's the distance? Oh my gosh, look at that. It's gonna pick up liquidity from that gap, I feel like. It's just a few points away. Let's see. The low. Yeah, 888. Okay. I think it should be picking up liquidity from there. So again, two ways to enter the giveaway. One is to go to the X tweet, retweet and or comment on the MyFundedFutures post or promo. And another way, if you don't have an X, is to type in !MFF to increase your chances, right? We're going to pick a winner from each side. If you won already on one pick, and if you win again, then we're gonna do a reroll. 2 50k core accounts. All right, no activation fee, no end of day trailing, so it's pretty good. I think the core accounts are amazing, by the way. So you know, we're doing it. Oh, we have 101 likes. Awesome. Let's push it. Okay, we should be picking up liquidity at 888. Actually, it's in the pin message. Leaking blob. You should be seeing a tweet message, a post up there. You go there, you can comment and or retweet. We're gonna choose with heads or tails where to choose the winner from the retweets or from the comments, so you can increase your chances. Thank you. Okay, it seems like almost went down to 888, but it didn't. Don't forget The link. Which link? Hey, Kamilla, jó reggelt! Gyorsan írd be, hogy felkiáltójel MFF, meg ott a tweetem is. Sorry. So, just saying this to some Hungarian traders here. If you want to enter the giveaway, type in !MFF, and to increase your chances, go to the pin message up there. Oh my god, we're having more tickets now. Okay, I think, okay, we're picking up liquidity. And you can go also to the tweet, retweet and or retweet or comment or both to increase your chances. And we're gonna pick a winner from X and from here as well. All right, so 2 more minutes. Okay, actually 1, but we're gonna wait for 8 a.m. to see what's happening here, and then I'm gonna pick the winner. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, tickets are increasing, which is awesome. The only problem is that yeah, let's see, I don't want to have too many bot tickets there, because I understand everybody wants to win, and I know many of you people, and I completely understand, we're all humans. I know some of you might have multiple YouTube accounts, which is, I get it, but we need to close it down real quick. Set buy limits at the day lows, and yeah, it could be an idea. By the way, I was thinking, like, as we sometimes call it, like, cheap buying opportunities are down here. I would say we should go higher. So, but it will be amazing. Anyway, I'm closing down the chat raffle. All right. So we have 95 tickets, couple of more seconds, and I'm actually closing it down. All right. !MFF, and I'm closing it down. Really, I can't do anything more with the chat. 97. All right, I'm counting down. 5, 4, 3. Oh, that's not it. 3 and 2. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So 5, 4, 3 and 2. Gold running. Oh, it is. And 1. Okay. All right. So I'm closing down the tickets. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Y2K trades !MFF if you haven't entered already, or go to the pin message and retweet and or comment on the promo. All right, closing it down, really, guys. 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to cover the chat after that, so I won't see it. Okay, the only way, by the way, you can receive this if you are eligible to trade at MyFundedFutures. All right. Oh my gosh. All right, 5 ticket more. All right, 5, 4, 3. I can't do it, guys. I'm just feeling that there are lots of multiple accounts here. I gotta close it. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm closing it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm covering the chat. Closed it. 106 tickets there, because the numbers are starting to add up. Really, I'm definitely sure there are a couple of duplicate accounts, and I get it. I get it. All right. Okay, the first winner from the chat is going to be a winner for a 50k MyFundedFutures core account with no activation fee. Let's see who the winner is gonna be for the first account. All right, if you missed it, you can still go to the giveaway message, up there to the pin message, and retweet and or comment on the tweet. All right, so the winner is gonna be no other than the one and the only, the best of the best, is no other than oh my gosh, Dominic. Dominic won the giveaway from the chat window there. Awesome, Dominic. All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, we have our first winner. Whew, what is happening on NQ? We have our first winner. Congratulations. Now for the next winner, you still have a couple of seconds until I set this up. I'm actually using a website which is called XPicker. Profile image, banner, no. Location, no. Include all, okay. Account older than 1 month minimum. Any latest tweet, any minimum followers. Okay. Okay, all right. Somebody subscribed. I forgot to see the name. Troy, hello. Cosine, what's up? Oh my God, Dominic, you are welcome. Sure, Dominic, don't worry. I know you're here. I know you're here. Dominic, your account is gonna be okay. You will send me your email. Okay, so heads or tails. The way we're gonna do it is... What is going on? Snooze! Hello! Okay, so the way we're gonna do it, we are doing a coin flip, okay? If heads, the news is 25 more minutes. If heads, then we are going to pick a retweet. If tails, we are going to pick a comment. All right, is that good? The chat ruffle is closed down, Rosanas. Okay, so if heads is gonna be retweets, if tails is gonna be, don't worry about it. If tails is going to be comments. All right, let's flip, coin flip. Tails never fails. Okay, if tails is gonna be comments, if heads is gonna be retweets. Let's go. Tails. Okay, so we're going to pick the winner from the comments. All right, we're gonna pick the winner from the tweet comments there. All right, let me pull up the comment here. I mean, sorry, the tweet. I have the URL. And I'm gonna get this to Grok, because Grok is definitely good on this one. You still have a couple of seconds to comment. All right. Can you pick a random comment from a tweet? No, not this tweet. He just picked a comment from Elon Musk. Okay, anyway. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Andre, welcome. Okay. Hey Grok, can you please pick a random comment from the tweet below? Is that good? Is this good? The way like this, it's fine. All these new subscribers, guys. Okay. So the winner should be picked by Grok for the second account. So let's ask Grok to do this for us, all right? The winner is, let's hope for Grok. Oh my gosh. Oof. He's thinking too much. Or it. Oh my gosh. We're still waiting. Here's the winner. Here's a random comment from that tweet, which says awesome from Mitch. Congratulations. It took a while for Grok to pick a comment, but this was pretty much right now. I think we did all fair and square, right? So it was great. Mitch, congratulations. Congratulations, you are the winner. And Dominic, okay, this was amazing. I actually enjoyed this. Grok was actually, it took him 28 seconds. 28 seconds it took for Grok to pick a random comment there. Oh my gosh. Oof. Okay, so congratulations for the winners. Let me just paste in my email. What I need from you guys is your MyFunded, the email that you are registered with MyFundedFutures, all right? Because back office is going to activate the core account. So here's my email. I'm happy for you guys. There's going to be a lot more giveaways. Stay tuned for every day because there's going to be more giveaways. Every day this week, every day giveaways. So here's my email. The kids won, by the way, Faceless Man. They won. They got the chocolate. They got the chocolate. Everybody's super happy. So here's my email, Dominic and Mitch. Just send me your MyFundedFutures email that you registered with MyFundedFutures, and I'm going to forward it later after the stream or in between, or maybe after my Funded TV stream, but I'll try to do it as soon as possible to support, and they are going to activate it for you. All right. I stream from 2 a.m. to around 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, so that's the London session, and I stream usually around 7 a.m. to 8:30, 8:40, and then I'm at my Funded TV usually. Yeah. I should make, yeah. We had $100 giveaway in the London session, by the way. We had $100 giveaway in London to MyFundedFutures account in this session, and tomorrow the giveaway bonanza continues, by the way. Just saying. Yeah, sure. Let me check it. Let me check it. Yeah, Dominic, I have it. I have it, Dominic. Great, great. Okay, I have your email as well. And of course, I'm waiting for Mitch as well. Take your time. If you don't have time now to send it, Mitch, it's up to you. When you send it, let me know. And that's it. So I like to so you're the go-to, something like that. Something like, hey, by the way, for those who are here since a while, you guys know that we used to pick some real good setups during the pre-market session. I mean, yeah, we have some great setups sometimes in the pre-market, and we like it. We like it. Silver, what is going on? Oh, Jesus, holy baby Christ. Silver is on steroids. Oh my God. What is going on with silver? Really, somebody should... I need to look after this. How long till CPI? 15 more minutes. 15 minutes. So I don't know if you see this vertical line here. This would be CPI news. 8:30 Eastern Standard. Yeah, still waiting. Gold. Let's check gold. Whew. My God. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Going higher. What's this? All right. What is that? Oh, it's me 40 years from now. Ah, okay. Thank you. I will check this. Nice. He has the same microphone, I think, that I have. So I told you guys, it's me. Oh, about silver. Thank you for the info. Thank you, thank you. Almost news time. Will news make it go up or down? Good question. They're expecting kind of like the same numbers. So, you know. Okay, let's see. Fed or amplified by AI that its major bank was getting squeezed because of large short positions in silver. Okay, so this trader in the video is saying that a major bank was getting squeezed of large short positions in silver. This caused panic in the market, contributing to the rapid rise in silver prices and pressuring traders holding short positions. I'm going to talk about this actually in MyFundedFutures. Thank you, Camila, for sharing this. Okay, so that's what he's saying. Huge surge in silver prices with the market gapping up sharply. The movement could be based on a rumor or amplified maybe by AI that a major bank is getting squeezed. That's what this trader is saying. Really? That's how they are squeezing out a major bank holding large short positions. If that's true, that there's going to be a huge sell-off on silver, at least until this point, but the same can happen on gold as well, like a huge sell-off. Once they start to drop silver, he's very legit and good to listen to. Awesome, awesome. Thank you for sharing it. Actually, I'm going to talk about this at MyFunded TV. It could be interesting. Boom. China owes 70% of the world's silver supply. It's war. Whew. You think so? And that's the thing, like there are so many different theories about this. So many different theories. Well, it seems like gold left the station. Yeah. Only hope for me is maybe to set up a position to go for that 952, but you know, it depends. I have to wait for the news. If price would stay around this gap here, which where we are right now, then I'd say I might take a long position, depending on the numbers, of course. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm definitely going to wait for news. I'm not going to take a trade. Oh, Mitch, you emailed me. All right, let me check. Awesome, awesome. Cool. And this is your awesome. You haven't registered yet. Let me do sure. Okay, no problem, Mitch. Absolutely great. Just want to make sure that your email addresses last two letters are a U and an M. U as universe and M as market makers. Right? Just making it sure. But I think you're the same. I checked that screenshot. Thank you. Hey Dominic, what's up? By the way, Mitch, if you register at MyFundedFutures, maybe you can click on my link. But the thing is, never forget that your first purchase will have a 50% discount on it. Just saying, only a one-time discount. So that's kind of a good deal. I will go with that account 500 risk per trade. What? It's good for 30 days, by the way. The giveaway account is only for 30 days. It will expire and you cannot reset it, okay? The giveaway, the free account cannot be reset and cannot be extended. So it's going to expire in 30 days. So make it or break it kind of situation. But I would say 30 days should be enough. Like, you know, mining of new server has been outpaced by industrial demand for the last 5 years. Inventory has been depleted for years and is now reaching critical levels. CME keeps raising margins. Oh my gosh, really? Could this be happening? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely not the same situation as with gold. I wouldn't say that they're going to do it with gold as well. Five Apex and 10 500 next futures. Let's go. Let's go.
Connection lost.
Oh no. Oh, it's back again. Okay. Fine. I thought that I got unplugged from the matrix by some reason. 30 to 87 in 1 year. Definitely better investment than crypto, right? It's a shoulda, woulda, coulda situation. I can see that. Oh my god, unbelievable. We have so many viewers on the Funded Futures network video. I can't believe it. Over 5,000 views. That's like impossible. Just checking in. Wow. Anyway, Funded Futures network buy one get one for free promo is still running in 5 minutes until news release. But my bet is that it should go there. Obviously, if the news comes out, it can spike down there. I think we can take out the Asia low with the spike and then maybe go higher. So. I would try if happens exactly what you said. Yeah. I mean, we definitely, I mean, if there would be no CPI news, I would be interested to take a long position around this area. I would say this is the cheap buying point for prices to go higher. So, you know. But again, gotta be careful. Okay, here we go. 3 more minutes. Two more minutes. 2 more minutes. Farhad, hello. Good to see you. No full porting. No, I have no positions. Absolutely no positions. I was just reading. I'm flat. No. The thing is, I can see this one going higher. I can see this one going for that 952. But at the same time, I can see it spiking down as well. So can happen both ways. I'd love to go long. But again, there might not gonna be anything, like it's just gonna wiggle like 50 points and that's it. All right, getting closer. 910 already. A little bit scary here, right? Let's see. "15 seconds. Hold your breath." I'm price action. I'm trading price action, HR. Yeah. Most likely. I mean, 99%. And here we go. Oh man, I feel the FOMO. Why? Why not? Why not? Why not full porting this into the zone? I think that's it. I cannot do anything else. All right. I should have full ported this. This would be good for the short videos, maybe. Who knows? Oh. I know it. I was also I was talking about the 952 like all streams. Since I started the stream, I'm talking about the 952 level. All the way since 7 a.m. I keep talking about the 952. All the way since 7 a.m. It's so oh man. Anyway, I hope for those of you who had something on. I don't care really about the retracement, but yeah. Let's see the numbers. I don't like the retracement there. Okay, as expected. Actually better numbers than expected here. Better than expected. As expected. So overall good news. New home sales were put a pin in this. It could be good. Okay, so overall bullish. Gold also spiked. All right, we're going higher. And look at that. Oh my god, this is where we're going. Is this where we're going? Really? 108. It's just one of those days. FOMO. Crazy FOMO, everybody. Crazy FOMO. Jesus. Okay. Crazy FOMO. But anyway. Yeah, the data candle, I also how do you read the news and how do you trade after news? I don't care about the news. I don't have any, I mean, I definitely do not call myself an expert on fundamentals. There's a way I'm seeing it, but I know that many of you guys are much better in fundamentals. I'm definitely a technical trader. And I guess some of you guys would be laughing your asses off the way I interpret the news. So mark the high. Yeah, the 1 minute candle. Yeah. Here's the 830. Yeah. Well, since we already broke the high there. Hey, Philkos, what's up? Oh man, I feel the FOMO. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it here. because I'm getting ready for my funded TV. This was an interesting interesting reaction from it. Was actually clean, but now I do feel the FOMO. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV tomorrow. The giveaways continue. Stay tuned in London and New York session. All right, thank you for watching. And if you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code MyFundedFutures, Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one for free, 20-30% off, 50% for new users. Apex is down, Bulenox is down, Lucid Trading coming up super strong with no monthly payments, no activation fee, and of course we have what else? TRADEIFY, man. Also, if you would like to support, so I will be able to also give back to the community, I do appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and I love you all. God bless you all, and I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly in about 25 minutes. All right, see you guys. God bless. Cheers. Oh, if CPI comes negative, that's actually, I think, a good news, I think. Anyway, thank you. Cheers.